To buy Binance Mascot token. So this token came under the symbol of fail. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic experts. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money with some crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 1 day ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trended number 6 in the Binance Mascot section. Now to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your wallet. I will use the big wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste token in the search bar. As you can see, this also going to click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token, as you can see here. And now after you find it, now just click on it. After that, click on swap. Now make sure that you switch from here. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see here. Now click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy failed token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.